Publishing listings to your Airbnb account directly from Guesty is a smart, efficient, and quick way to save a lot of hassle. Right before you start, make sure your Airbnb account is verified and ensure the listing you intend to publish follows Airbnb's guidelines, which you can review on their website. In addition, the listing has to appear as listed in Guesty. If it's not, head over to the property page, click Marketing, then Publish on Channels, click Edit, turn this toggle on, and click Save. Now, choose Growth Mode, then Distribution, and then Airbnb. Next, click here, or click the relevant account and then click here. Select the relevant listing from the drop-down. If any error appears at this point, click here to solve it on the property page, and when ready, click Next. Now, choose the relevant booking settings and cancellation policy. Click Publish, and that's it. Airbnb will approve the listing within up to 24 hours, and its status will change from pending to connected when it goes live on Airbnb. If the status appears as failed, hover over here to see the reason, fix the issue accordingly, and then click here to publish again. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.